What up, y'all? So, the first test run, everything is good. I just went and got another 12-volt battery. I'm still waiting on my little adapter to use the 18-volt batteries, but first test run on the 12-volt is good. Kid loves it. So next up, I think we're gonna add some tail lights on this thing because when I got it, I don't think it had stickers. It might have had stickers. This was like a Barbie Corvette when I got it, so I got it a long time ago. Took all the stickers off so I could clean everything and paint it. But yeah, we'll probably be making some tail lights. Probably make some headlights in here, like working lights, and yeah, a bunch of other random junk. So dad videos coming up. But today we got a Monte Carlo in, so gonna change out some window regulators. So a little maintenance work. But yeah, here we go. Alright, so we got this side done. On this one, usually the regulator comes with the motor, but this one it was just the regulator. So I know she had asked me, but I could have sworn they just came with the motor, but apparently they sell them without the motor now. But the motor was good in here, so I just put the new regulator on. Everything's 10mm bolts, 2 right there for the regulator, 2 down here for it. It's a bolt right in there that connects the regulator to the window, and then it's another one on this side, through this hole right here. But can you see it? Where we're looking? Boom, there we go. And that hole up there. So that's a 10. That's connected to the actual window. And then there are these 3 bolts right here, which is where the actual motor sits. So undo all of those, just lift it up. Everything slides out that way. But drop my phone. But everything slides up and out through here. But window works just fine. So now it's time to do the other side. This is the issue with this one. I guess I probably could have took this off first, but get this foam out of the way, which I don't remember mine having that. But the cables on this regulator are broken, so that is the reason this window originally wouldn't go down. So whoever had the car before she got it, rigged up something to where the window, like the part that holds the window, is on this metal wire, which is wrapped through here and then wrapped around the bolt that actually bolts the regulator in place. And this is just hung up right here. So that's how the window is staying up. So I gotta untie these things or break them off, cut them, something. But once I get those out the way, then I can get this regulator out. The tape should hold the window up, and then I can put this new regulator in. The motor is good because I can hear it. I can hear all of this grinding when I press the button. So I just take the motor off of this one, put it on the new regulator, and then we'll be good to go. Yeah, so this is the regulator and the motor. Taking the motor off of this regulator, and there we go. So yeah, you can see once that snapped, it's over with. So I'm just gonna get bunched up. You hear a bunch of crunching noise, and this is what you're hearing. So get rid of this. Stuck on my pants, but there we go. So we can get rid of this and put this motor on the new regulator.